If you drive for Uber, deliver for DoorDash, freelance on Fiverr, or do any kind of gig work, this calculator shows you exactly what you're actually making after expenses and taxes. One tab, everything you need. Let me walk you through it. At the very top, enter your business name, your tax rate, and your currency. The tax rate field includes self-employment tax. For most US gig workers, 27% is a solid starting estimate, but adjust it to match your actual situation. The currency dropdown supports 20 options and converts all your numbers instantly. Now for income, there are 7 rows covering every common gig income stream: platform gigs like Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash, freelance and contract work, delivery and courier, online services like Fiverr or Upwork, tips, rental or sharing income, and a catch-all other income row. Enter your actual or estimated earnings for each month. You don't need to fill every row, just the ones that apply to you. Leave anything blank that you don't earn. The annual and average monthly columns calculate automatically as you type. At the bottom of the income section, your gross income total updates in real time, so you always know your top line as you go. Below income, you have 12 expense rows covering everything a gig worker typically deducts: gas and fuel, vehicle maintenance, vehicle insurance, phone and data, equipment and technology, platform fees and commissions, marketing, accounting software, health insurance, professional development, home office, and other business expenses. Just fill in what applies to you month by month. Platform fees are worth paying attention to. If you earn $3,000 a month on Uber, roughly 3% of that is coming straight off the top as commission. This row captures that, so your net is accurate. The total expenses row tallies everything up monthly and annually. This is your cost of doing business, and knowing it is the difference between thinking you made $55,000 and knowing you actually netted $38,000. Everything you just entered flows into 2 places automatically. First, the annual dashboard at the top. 8 cards show you the full picture: annual gross income, annual expenses, annual net profit, annual take-home after tax, average monthly profit, annual margin percentage, tax owed, and the tax rate applied. In this example, $55,000 gross, $16,600 in expenses, $38,800 net profit, and $28,300 in actual take-home pay after a 27% tax rate. Second, the month-by-month breakdown shows net profit, estimated tax, take-home pay, and profit margin for every single month, so you can see exactly which months were strong and which were slow. And critically, the quarterly estimated tax payments table. As a gig worker, you don't have an employer withholding taxes for you. The IRS expects quarterly payments. This table tells you exactly how much to set aside for Q1 through Q4 and when each payment is due. Never get hit with a surprise tax bill again. Here's the most important habit this calculator can give you: update it monthly, not at tax time. 5 minutes at the end of each month to log your income and expenses means you always know your real profit margin, and you're never scrambling in April to figure out what you owe. And don't skip the expense rows. Gas, phone, platform fees. These are real deductions that reduce your taxable income. Every dollar of legitimate business expense you miss is a dollar you're overpaying in taxes. That's the full gig worker profit calculator. Set your tax rate and currency at the top, log income by stream and expenses by category each month, and the dashboard shows your real take-home pay and quarterly tax bills automatically. Download link is in the description. If this helped, subscribe for more.